we find ourselves in it's a valley of some kind. I can't remember what it's called.
Well, I don't know.
Oh, it's Dovedale Valley, isn't it?
Is it?
Yeah, because we are doing the letter D of writing the alphabet.
Oh, right. Fantastic.
At long last.
Thanks for letting me know.
Well, now you know.
So what interesting factoids have you got about Dovedale?
Well, we're currently, because it's a bit of a combo breaker, it's the Derbyshire Dales district, and we're going to Dovedale, but we are technically in...
Is that quadruple D's there?
It is a lot of D's. But yeah, we're in Dovedale Valley, but we're in Staffordshire right now, technically, because we're on the left-hand side of the valley.
Well, I'll tell you something, we're also in farmland, because I can stink it.
Well, that's...
silage.
We are becoming one with nature, enjoying the green stuff and the spring and the daffodils. We're taking it all in.
It all looks dead down here, mate.
Well, ignore those bits down there.
There's not a leaf to be seen.
There's not. The leaves are not aplenty. Oh, there's a pheasant. We've got some wildlife. We've got bird, little tweety bird.
Yeah, but just think, that could have been disaster, couldn't it? If it run under your front wheel, you'd be off.
Well, we don't think about
car crash. Or a bike crash even.
Stop being so negative. This is...
Oh, this is a steep hill.
Look at this.
Yeah, I bet if you hit that at speed, even on your Dovedale, you might get some air time.
End up in that field there. So,
Great Escape style.
It would be as well, like the movie poster, not it? But yeah, so I'm pretty sure the river, is it the River Dovedale, River Dove, I don't know, but it's somewhere over there. And we've got some like rocks over there, so it's nice, isn't it?
Some rocks and a river or a stream or something you have the name of.
I'm going to be honest, I'm a bit unprepared with the old script. I've kind of
need a script.
I forgot all the names. Right. Anyway, we're going to take a right here up towards Iron.
This is left, mate.
To say right?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, it is a left. We're supposed to be going left. Don't worry. So,
hey, I've got an interesting factoid about Iron.
What's your facts, Dan?
It's kind of related to what's going off right now. To be fair.
What's that?
Have I thrown you?
Well, what's happening right now? We're going for a ride.
No, Iron. Do you know what's significant about Iron?
Well, no. You're gonna have to fill me in on this secret you've got.
It's not a secret. It's a long time ago since I went, but there should be a monument in the centre of the village.
Yeah, there is.
But what's it for?
Why
is it there?
I don't know.
Because Iron had the Black Death.
Oh.
Or the plague.
Well, that's interesting.
The old village was, I might be wrong, you might have to check these facts, but they quarantined the old village.
Oh, flipping heck. We're going, this is not good. I see where this is going.
They quarantined the village so everybody could, so they died, kind of thing.
So the Black Death, this is where it was, folks. There you go.
Well, I might be wrong, you know. I also believe
it make a good story anyway. You just make it up.
I also believe that the reason that they got the Black Death was because there was the virus was in the clothes that was delivered from London, because it was big in London. The Black Death was like London was falling kind of thing, and I believe it came in clothes. It was transmitted in clothing or fabrics for clothing. That's as much as I can know about it, really.
That's quite interesting fact right there. Or bit of history.
But they quarantined Iron because it was full of the disease. I can hear something beeping.
Your camera.
Yeah, camera's died.
Your camera's gone. Oh dear. So I can't believe your camera's actually died, you know.
Well, I've got a spare battery.
Well, we can't stop now, can we?
Well, we've got to stop at some point.
Well, we'll stop at the big spike, the Black Death spike.
Oh, I've got my places mixed up. It's Ian I'm on about.
All that for nothing. So it wasn't Iam. No, it wasn't Ilam. It was Iam. Or Iam.
Iam is what I'm talking about, yes. So, my apologies.
Your historic knowledge is much to be desired.
Well, you was saying it's Iam, and it's not. It's Ilam where we are, not Iam. Iam sounds like Iam, doesn't it?
I'm glad we're not doing the letter I, because we've made a right mess of this. Either way, we're gonna get back onto the trail of the Dovedale, the River Dove. We're going to find ourselves at in a short while for the letter D, and I might even have some fun facts for you.
Ooh, I'm really looking forward to that. I'll tell you something, I've got some want to lose control here.
I'm going to say it's alright, that isn't it?
Good view.
It's a good view. Yeah, it's alright, isn't it? Chose a good one, hasn't I?
Yeah, it's picturesque.
Well, yes, this is the as British countryside as it gets, isn't it?
Well, until they build houses on it, I suppose.
Dry stone walls, rolling fields, and then yeah, when they've got the Tesco superstore built here, it'll be all right. Or a spa.
What?
A spa, yeah, a spa. That's what you usually get in like towns, isn't it? Spa.
Oh, spa. I thought you meant like spa, as in somewhere where you go and get the big tub and.
A tub of what? A tub of butter? A big tub?
A spa.
Yeah, but you said tub as in, you don't call it a tub, you call it a bath, don't you?
What? Still a tub.
A tub.
Bath tub.
Can't believe it's not flipping spa.
In Stanhope now, or Stan's Hope.
Stan's Hope, or is it Stan Shop?
Voice. Yes.
It smells agricultural, that's the only way we can put it.
What, there's a little road here, are we going straight
just
on?
follow the road.
That looks interesting down there.
It doesn't.
It's a dead end.
It's good, because I ain't going down it. Look at these lovely daffodils, it's grand.
Postbox.
Yeah, post box, yeah, you don't see many of them. Well, you do, but it's telephone boxes, I mean. You'll get a couple of them scattered about around here. But yeah, it's lovely rolling hills through the valley of Dovedale. That's why we're doing it as a D. I mean, Derbyshire in general, there's a lot of places within it that will fall within the alphabet. But Derbyshire as a whole, I think it's worth just doing a bit of the countryside, Derbyshire Dales. So the next leg of the journey is Alstonfield.
What we need is a pub to be open so we can have a refreshment.
A refreshment would be rather nice right now, but instead we're only allowed to stay on the bike, so that's all you're getting. Right then, so this is Alstonfield.
I'd love to live in one of these houses out up here.
I wouldn't. There's no drive, there's no garage, there's nothing.
You need anything, just need the countryside, didn't you?
As we venture out of Alstonfield, we'll complete... Oh, we're going the wrong way. Oh no, we're not. In Easter spirit, we're going past a church. It is Easter today, so there you go. I'm going to have to take it steady down these little country lanes. It's alright, isn't it though?
Well, I don't have to take it steady, I don't know what's up here.
It's a lovely little area, I must say so myself. So yeah, we're coming down now the scenic route. There is alternate routes to get down here, so going down the scenic middle route to get down to Dovedale Valley. Do you like my tour guide I'm giving you?
Yeah, it's very good.
It's I'm in the wrong career, I tell you.
The only question is, what happens if a vehicle comes up?
Well, they're going to have to go back down because I can't go back the way I've come. So yeah, we're currently entering the valley of Dovedale. Or we was already in it, but.
Are you sure this is a road and not a footpath?
You know, now you say that, it does kind of look like a footpath, but we're just going to keep going anyway. It's not like I can turn around.
You'd be like that flipping ship in Suez Canal, wouldn't you, if you tried to turn around?
I'll be in papers, I will. Flipping on the Dovedale, blocking the main route for tractors, and oh, bloody hell, we're in the gutter. Oh, I kept it up though.
I've lost you, where are you?
I'm in the gutter, I've just flipping binned it almost. Right then, so this is the cut through. I specifically chose this route because I thought it'd be quite scenic. I regret it.
Is this the River Dove now?
This is the River Dove that splits the districts of Derbyshire Dales and Staffordshire.
Have I got the right way?
Yeah. Just take a left and we'll park somewhere there.
Oh, we're parking, are we?
Yeah, let's park in the disabled bit.
There's too many people here. Can't social distance.
He's got ice creams. Shall I barter with him? Shall I try and barter them ice creams out of his grasp?
Where have they got them from? He's walking this way with ice cream, so there's got to pick them up from somewhere.
Where are you going? I was going to stop earlier on.
I'm looking for the ice cream. Where's he got the ice creams from?
Well, I don't think there's an ice cream truck round here. I mean, this is quite nice, though, isn't it? I mean,
I don't think the people look too happy though. It was they were queuing up for something, weren't they?
probably ice cream.
Not a mask in sight. Bless you. Oh, look at this! Look, this like we've got lots of weirs here.
Yeah, this is what I wanted to bring us down here. What a lovely way to do the letter D. We was supposed to stop earlier because it was a lovely little. There's a famous bridge. I don't know what it's called. I forgot. I was gonna.
What, up there?
Yeah.
Have we got to turn around and go back there?
It's too late for that now. We're in it to win it.
Well, there's a little bridge here. Is this like a famous bridge?
There you go, Staffordshire. Told you. This is just a bridge, actually. Nothing really special about this one. So yeah, that is Dovedale. That's it. Yeah, I think you've seen it all, really. I don't actually know where we're going, so you have to bear with me.
All roads lead to Rome.